Duolingo just made language learning incredibly effective and more accessible than ever for 2025, proving why it remains a top choice for millions. The biggest news: Duolingo's game-changing Explain My Answer feature, previously exclusive to the Premium Max plan, is now rolling out to free accounts on iOS. This is a dramatic shift, bringing premium learning insights to everyone and making the Duolingo free experience truly unparalleled. Imagine finally understanding why you made a mistake, not just what the correct answer is. This feature crafts personalized feedback, explaining complex grammatical rules, and providing extra examples. It builds confidence and accelerates your progress, transforming rote memorization into genuine comprehension. While currently available for English speakers learning Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Italian, and Korean, Duolingo is actively expanding it to Android and more languages soon. This update solidifies Duolingo's position as an industry leader, offering an unbeatable language learning experience. Don't miss out on this incredible upgrade. If you're ready to master a new language efficiently in 2025, find links in the description to download Duolingo and start learning today.